it was a role.
Right.
So anyway, guys, we were just having fun today on our podcast, and we were just having fun.
Yeah.
And so we just want to thank you guys as these first two episodes are pretty light and just chit chat. I mean, I'm sure we'll do. We may come up with a couple more, but
if you guys have any recommendations on what we should talk about, I mean,
yeah, if you're listening, you want to talk about something, please let us know. And I think we've talked enough for one day.
Yeah.
And we'll get back to you. And go to podcast, share the video and go out to Spotify. And then just we're trying to grow the company. If you're planning on being in the business, you want to learn the business, please reach out to us. Don't be afraid to reach out to us, and we will guide you into the business, and we'll help you get leads, and we will help you move it. And as you help us grow, then we will help you grow. So we're really pushing forward this year to gain a couple to bring together a couple more realtors who has that entrepreneurial spirit, and more than entrepreneurial spirit, that service that they want to serve the community and help the community to get their home and into whether you want to lease, sell, commercial. We'll train you, and I'll be your personal trainer doing all that for you. So guys, thank you again.